In this video, you will learn how to create drawer in your Flutter app. Drawer is one of the primary options for navigation in your Flutter app. So you will have a button on top left that when you click on it, it will create this sidebar menu which is called drawer. Now I will show you step by step on creating this drawer in Flutter code. So in your Scaffold widget, there is a parameter called drawer. In this parameter, we can add a drawer widget. This drawer widget will take a list view widget as its child. The reason to add list view widget is because with list view, we can add multiple widgets as children. So firstly, we can create a drawer header widget. In the drawer header, you can customize any UI components, but for tutorial purposes, I will just add a text widget. After the header widget, because we wrap with list view widget, we can add additional widget below, such as adding a list tile widget. The first list tile will come with a home icon, home title, and a navigation pop method. The second list tile widget will take a setting icon and setting text with also a navigation pop method. You can customize the on-tap method to open certain screens. Now we have completed creating a simple drawer in our Flutter app. Let's try it out in the simulator. So now you can see there is a hamburger icon on the top left. When I click on the icon, it will open the drawer. Seems like the header has the same color as the app's background. So you can also customize the header color in the decoration parameter. Now you can see the header clearer. Below the header, there are two list tiles widgets that we have created. When I click on them, it will just close the drawer as the on-tap method is just navigation popped. In conclusion, this is how you create a drawer in your Flutter app. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.